Hey guys, welcome to the channel. This video is about the VIVO X Fold SIM card issue that I had. Now, I bought this from China. I'm in the UK, so if you are in the UK and you have similar issues, then try what I did. I have a Pixel 6 Pro. I put my 5G SIM card from this into this. I got a little message saying this SIM card is not from mainland China, so you might not have got any 5G coverage. So I thought, okay, that's fine. But in fact, I never actually got no data at all. I could make and receive calls absolutely fine. But in terms of data, there was no data connection there at all. I tried resetting the carrier service, disabled 5G and all that. So I put my partner SIM card in there. Worked absolutely fine. I got a 5G connection. I could download apps. I also put my son's SIM card in here as well, which is a Virgin SIM card. That worked absolutely fine as well. Spoke to EE customer service. And basically, in the end, what they've done is sent me out a brand new SIM card, but the SIM card profile is 4G. Okay? It's a 4G SIM card with 5G capabilities. So I've popped that in about 10 minutes ago and we have full signal. Well, we had signal anyway, but we have full data connectivity. We have 4G there. I had 5G downstairs as well. Now, the issue was the SIM card I have in here is a 5G SIM card. Yes, that does 5G as well, but the one in here was a 5G profile. So its main thing was it's a 5G profile SIM card, but it can do 4G and 5G. The one they sent out was a 4G profile with 5G capabilities. A little bit confusing, but that's the only resolution they thought of. Well, that's the first sort of solution really, and it's worked. So yeah, this video is basically detailing you that. I was worried because I used that SIM card, my other SIM card, in most Chinese phones without any issues at all. Never. This is the first time I've come across this issue. So really pleased that is now working. 4G and 5G coverage. I can now start using the VIVO X Fold a little bit more properly, a bit more sort of my own phone now for a little while and really get to grips with it. So yeah, hope this video has been helpful and useful to anyone. UK SIM cards do work in this phone and many other Chinese phones. You should have no issues really whatsoever. This is quite a unique issue for me. But if anyone else is experiencing that, go and get a 4G profile SIM card with 5G capabilities, and you'll find that problem that you have with this or any other Chinese phone will go away and it'll start working. Thanks for watching.